Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe in Gmail. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open your Gmail application. So now I'm just going to open Gmail website. So over here you can see this interface. Now all you have to do is search for mail. So just click on search mail and now search for unsubscribe. Alright, as you can see there are various unwanted emails over here. So here, as you can see, unsubscribing it one by one is a pretty tedious task. So to automate it, all you have to do is click on this filter icon. Here you can see the search for more options. Click over here. Now what you have to do is click on create filter. Alright, so now all you have to do is click on this choose label, and now you can create a new label. So give it some name. So I've already created a label which is unwanted emails, and after you have done that you can see the label will be created. Now what you have to do is click on also apply to matching conversations. So once you click that and create filter, what you have to do is just refresh it, and here you can see there are 1000 messages that are spam and it is separated from inbox. Now what you can do is just click over here and select all and simply delete it, and there you go. So now you can do it like this, and that is how you'll be able to unsubscribe in Gmail. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.